walked with such a surprise into my life. But you walked in with joy, with adventure, with love, and from the first day with commitment. The way that you have supported me deeply touched me, and I'm grateful for it, and I am just overjoyed for this future that we're gonna have together.
That's right. Cheers, everybody. Mitra June, there's something I want to talk to you about.
Oh my God.
So, as you know, I've loved you for a very long time. Even before I even knew you, I probably loved you somewhere in another universe. And I know you are crying right now because you have wanted this for a long time and I have too. But timing is definitely important. This ring isn't just the example of the commitment I have to you, but it's the growth in the future I see in us growing a family and many other things. I look forward to cherishing every moment that we have with each other. The traveling, the joyous adventures, the arguments, I look forward to all of it, including the ones when you argue with me about surprises us for you, but it's all great, that's for another day. But nonetheless, I would love to ask you to be my wife and marry me.
Do I jump up and say yes? I want to know this part.
Don't fuck that!